Good morning, everyone. Okay, so this winter morning, I just woke up like every day. I made my bed, opened the curtains. As usual, I wanted to read my newspaper in the balcony, so I went out and then I realized that it's actually very cold. So I decided to make a tea for myself. I'm not usually a milk person, but yeah, for immunity boosting, I went out to my garden and just plucked some lemongrass, and then we went to the basil leaves. So these basils are very nice. I have 2-3 categories of basils in my house, thanks to my mother. Lemongrass, basil leaves, tulsi leaves, ginger, and a little bit of cardamom. Now I'm taking 1 glass of water in a pan. If you want to make it for 2, you can take 2 glasses of water. Then fold your lemongrass leaves, add the cinnamon powder, or if you have a cinnamon stick, you can do that. Pour the ginger and let the mixture start to boil. La la! You can add a pinch of honey if you want. And now your tea is ready. It's very easy, it's just a 2-minute drink. Okay, so now I'm ready to read my newspaper outdoors. This tastes good. And it's healthy too.